My name is John Taylor. I'm 27. I'm from the town of Albemarle, North Carolina. I got a concussion my senior year of college. I was just playing capture the flag with some friends one weekend. I went in to see a doctor a couple of days after I got my concussion, and ultimately looking back on that experience, I was somewhat dissatisfied with that treatment. It seemed that some of these conditions, like a concussion, some of them can just require more erudite knowledge than many doctors may have typically. And so some of the things that they didn't tell me really led to a severe worsening of my condition. And it just led down this bad road where I have come now, where I've just gotten additional concussions over the years, and it's just been difficult to really find resolution to this situation. Most of the time, the neurologists that I've seen, other doctors that I've seen, haven't really been able to do anything concrete for me to deal with the root of my problem. They've just prescribed different medications to deal with some of the symptoms, but I find that this approach is inadequate, because if you don't deal with the root of the problem, it really just continues to grow in severity, and you require more medication to deal with the symptoms, and your overall condition just declines significantly over time. I looked around for a few different options. Most of the hyperbaric oxygen therapy centers that I found were really just way too expensive for the normal person to engage with them. And so I was looking around for something that was just a little more reasonable, and I had seen some doctors at Duke University, and they recommended that I come down here to Extivita. I talked with the professionals here, and I went through a trial package here in the chamber. I did three dives over a 2-day period, and immediately I started to see some different results that I had not seen before. Within a few hours, I just feel this sense of clarity and just this lack of pain, which is really a welcome change for sure. With post-concussion syndrome, you really have some significant headaches. The process of your brain having to look at a phone screen or a computer screen or a television screen and piece together all the pixels, all the flashing lights, that process of piecing together essentially this optical illusion will give your brain a headache from doing this. And so after going through HBOT, I have been able to look at technology for a longer period of time without getting a headache. So that's been a great improvement for sure, and I feel that it will continue the longer I'm here. I think this is something that people need to undergo, just like eating healthy and exercise. I would seriously recommend hyperbaric oxygen therapy to all people everywhere.